This is LRC55, the leather spew remover. Not quite what you think it is with the term spew. Spew can be spelt in many ways. Obviously, S-P-E-W or S-P-U-E also is another variation of the way it can be spelt, depending on where you're from. Spew remover, basically, we invented that because when skins are tanned, you end up with like oils and fats and things which are used in the tanning process. And it could be that they've used, excessive or incorrect oils and tans to, oils and fats to do that in the tanning process. So, or it could be the fact that it's a lack of degreasing the leather skins when they're tanned in the first place, which causes these fat liquors to rise out of the skin to the surface. Identifying it, there's a couple of different ways. Well, there's several ways, but the two main ways is one of them, it looks like mold, of like a sort of white crystalline sort of effect on the surface of the skin. Another way to look at it is it has like a sort of almost like a wet sort of fat patch up here, almost like head grease and that sort of thing. So, but obviously you can't tell that straight away from the tannery. So this was invented to remove that. Basically, LRC55 leather spew remover can be sprayed on. You can agitate with a soft horsehair brush and then wipe away with a terry towel. And what that does is it removes all the fat oils that's risen to the surface, gets rid of them and alleviates that problem. So simply just, move the trigger spray on the side here. There's like a little latch. You can just turn that round to open your trigger. That will then allow you to pull the trigger and release. Whereas in the lock position, as you can see, it's a safety device for transport. It will not open. That is LRC55 leather spew remover from the Leather Repair Company.